Appointment confirmations. Sales managers, compliment the salesperson. Compliment the salesperson. Sales managers do that. Give the salesperson a compliment. Managers, I confirm appointments because I'm lazy. I know if I confirm the appointment, it's more likely to show up. I know if I confirm the appointment and then ask to meet the customer, we're going to be more likely to get parties. Confirm the time and ask to be introduced. Hi, buyer. Yeah. Tell me again. John? Yes, sir. Johnny. All right, Johnny. Hi, buyer. Yeah. Hey, buyer. This is Kyle from Tim Dyer. Thanks for taking my call. I'm the sales manager here. Oh, yeah. I just hung up with one of you people. Yeah, totally. You just hung up with Johnny? Johnny's fantastic. Johnny told me that you're coming in at 6:15 this evening, and the last time I talked to him, he was getting that truck ready. I love calling everybody just to thank them for setting the time aside. Like I said, I'm the sales manager here. Johnny's getting the truck ready. I just want to say thank you. And then can you do me a favor? Yeah, totally. When you come in, can you just have Johnny introduce us so I can put a face with the name? Sure. Great. I'll see you at 6:15. Did my number show up on the caller ID? Yeah. Great. You need to come early, late, whatever, just call me. That's a good confirmation call. You don't want to rework the deal. Hi, I'm Kyle, I'm the sales manager. Do you have any questions? Sales managers, if a buyer was sitting in finance, about to sign paperwork, would you walk up and go, hey, I'm Kyle, I'm the sales manager. Before you sign, can I answer any questions? Don't blow the salesperson's appointment. Compliment the salesperson. Tell the customer how great the salesperson is. Tell the customer all the things we're going to do for them. Appointments are purely based on the perception of the customer. It feels real, it's real. It feels fake, it's what? And then here's